In a quiet little town, not far from the bustling city, there lived a kind and hardworking maid named Liza. Liza worked for the Dela Cruz family, who were very kind but didn't know much about money or how to make it grow. Liza, however, was a dreamer. Every day while she cleaned the house, she thought about something she had heard in the market, about people who used something called the stock market to grow their money. She didn't know what the stock market was, but it sounded exciting. One sunny afternoon, as Liza was dusting the bookshelves, she overheard Mr. Dela Cruz talking to his friend about how his money was growing in the stock market. Liza listened carefully. "I'm planning to invest in the stock market," Mr. Dela Cruz said. "It's where people put their money to grow. You can invest in companies, and over time, your money can grow too." Liza's eyes grew wide. "What's the stock market?" she wondered. "And how can I use it?" Liza couldn't stop thinking about what she had heard. That night, she sat in her tiny room with her notepad. "I want to learn more about this stock market," she said to herself. "Maybe I can use it to make my life better." The next morning, Liza decided to ask her friend Maria for help. Maria was a wise woman who ran a small shop and knew a lot about business. "Maria," Liza began, "I overheard Mr. Dela Cruz talking about the stock market. What is it, and can I learn how to use it?" Maria smiled kindly and said, "The stock market is a place where people can invest money in companies. It's like planting a seed. If you choose the right company, your money can grow, just like a tree from a seed. But it's also important to learn and be careful. You don't just put your money anywhere. You need to choose wisely."
I want to learn. Can you teach me?
Maria agreed to help. Over the next few weeks, she taught Liza about how the stock market worked. She explained how to buy shares of companies, how to watch for good investments, and how to be patient, because making money in the stock market took time. Liza was amazed. She began to save little bits of money, like coins and small amounts from her paycheck. Every week, she would take what she had saved and learn more about the best companies to invest in. Slowly, Liza started buying tiny shares in different companies. But it wasn't always easy. Sometimes, Liza's investments didn't grow as quickly as she hoped. There were moments when she felt discouraged, especially when she heard about people losing money. But Liza remembered Maria's advice.
The key is to be patient, keep learning, and don't give up.
One day, Liza received a letter. It was from one of the companies she had invested in. It said that because the company had done well, Liza's investment had grown. Liza couldn't believe it. All her hard work, patience, and learning had paid off. Months passed and Liza's small investments continued to grow. She used the money to help her family and even started a small savings fund for herself. But what made her happiest wasn't just the money. It was the lessons she had learned. She had learned how to be patient, how to make smart choices, and most importantly, how to believe in herself.
Art, Liza, I've been hearing about your success in the stock market. How did you learn so much?
I worked hard and learned from the right people. It wasn't just about making money. It was about being patient and making smart choices.
I think I need to learn more from you.
And so, Liza became not just a maid, but a teacher to others, showing them that with a little bit of courage, patience, and learning, anyone, even someone who thought they had no chance, could make their dreams come true. The story of Liza the maid teaches that with patience, hard work, and a willingness to learn, anyone can achieve their dreams, no matter how small they start. It reminds us that learning new things, like the stock market, can help us make smart decisions for our future, and that believing in ourselves is the key to success.